If you happen to work in finance, there's a good chance that you've already seen the first sentence of this problem. It's called the rule of 70, and it's commonly used by bankers as a quick back-of-the-envelope calculation. Now, the GMAT was kind enough to give us that rule in this problem, so we don't have to know that coming into it. But basically, all we have to do is apply that rule to solve this question. At 8% compounded annually, plugging that 8 into the rule, we get approximately 9, right? Because 8 times 9 is 72, so 70 divided by 8 is more or less 9, and so we can infer from the rule that they gave us that this money is going to double itself approximately every 9 years, and they're asking about 18 years. So the $5,000 will double at 9 years, that would be $10,000, and then it doubles again at 18 years, and that gets you to the correct answer, which is $20,000. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.